Welcome to Brown Brothers Ford Lincoln. This is a 2016 F-150 XLT. Short box, 145-inch wheelbase. EcoBoost under the hood. You can see it's had a few modifications. Lifted wheels. Got the FX4 package. Reverse sensing, backup camera. Pro trailer backup assist as well. Step bars come in handy with this one. Inside, we have a cloth interior. Twin panel moonroof. Navigation.
But so funny that you say that because we have a couple of young boys in our neighborhood, and I think they're probably around the ages of 9 and 10. I haven't seen them in a couple of months, but one of the things that they have done is they've taken up that old
Trailer brake controller as well. Beautiful F-150. You're going to find it at Brown Brothers Ford Lincoln. We are at 270 Southeast Marine Drive in Vancouver.